Hello, my name is Nalamuthu Pawan Kumar from MSc Project Management. My module name was Evidence-Based Project Management, and this is my poster presentation on sustainable packaging redesign in the food industry. Um, in this video, I will be going through the key parts of my poster presentation and explaining each section. In my poster presentation, I have some key points are there. The first one is problem identification and contextualization. In the global food industry faces a rise in pressure for transition toward sustainable packaging due to the rising plastic pollution, consumer activism, and tightening regulations like UK plastic packaging tax and EU single-use plastics directive. However, implementing sustainable design introduces the complex challenge that involve supply chain disruption, cost implications, and technological uncertainty. From the source of Kazan Koru at 2023, the figures defines that the eco-friendly food packaging market is expected to grow almost $399.91 billion from $271.54 billion between 2025 to 2029, with a CAGR compound annual growth rate of 10.2% from the source of the business researchcompany.com 2025. Now, the project critically helped frame the sustainable packaging redesign as one of the decision problems that require cross-functional collaboration and strategic governance. Of my poster presentation, I research on the aim of this report is to evaluate the operational, financial, and environmental implications of implementing sustainable packaging redesign in the food industry. To analyze the challenges and drivers influencing the sustainable packaging adoption, mm, and to apply environmental impact analysis and cost analysis for evaluating alternative packaging materials, and also to design a Prince 2 Agile governance framework for managing sustainability and innovation in the food industry. Mm, for my poster in that, I take a evidence based from the as I highlighted by Jew at 2022, the circular economic model can reduce global packaging waste up to 50% and can position sustainable redesign for both economic imperative and environmental enhancement. Subal at 2024, on the contrary, defined that life cycle assessment helps the organization to qualify the material impact and emissions throughout the supply chain, which offers a basis for decision making. And decision making and governance framework, in that the project will use the Prince 2 Agile, which helps to enable structured control with the flexibility for innovation. Prince 2 ensures that the government defines the state gates, roles, and accountability. From the source of Takagi at 2024, Agile defines the iterative prototyping and rapid feedback loop as necessary for sustainability innovation. In the cost beneficent environment impact analysis, is used for packaging option carbon reduction and quantifying the trade-off among the cost efficiency, for to support the evidence-based decision making while maintaining responsiveness. And coming to the AI devil's advocate, in this sustainability packaging redesign in the food industry, the negative sides of the supply chain disruption. The new material transition can cause a supply chain delay, can lead to material shortage and supplier delay that creates inconvenience by adopting the Prince Agile framework. Supplier collaboration enhancement can be made that can support to sustainable packaging at a project management institution 2017 for this source. And coming to another negative side of the greenwashing risk, the company can show an improper sustainability claim without a transparent data set. By implementing the measurable KPI, credibility can be met. From the conclusion and professional reflections are the sustainable packaging can redesign the strategic opportunity and ethical responsibility with the use of Prince 2 Agile. Cost benefit and environmental impact tools help business to make data driven decisions that meet the stakeholder and environmental priorities. Personally, this study enhances my studying of managing sustainability driven change which improves governance, critical reflection on ethical risks, and accountability. This is my presentation on sustainability packaging redesign in the food industry. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.